Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix 5G not working on iPhone in iOS 26. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution number 1. Enable and disable airplane mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Turn airplane mode on. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it off again. This quick refresh can often fix network issues. Solution number 2. Turn off low power mode. Go to setting app, tap on battery. If low power mode is enabled, turn it off. Low power mode can sometimes affect network performance, so make sure it's disabled. Solution number 3. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap on general. Scroll down and select transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Choose reset network setting. Enter your passcode to confirm. Tap reset network setting again in the pop-up to complete the process. This will reset all settings and can solve the 5G issue. Solution number 4. Check for iOS update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Go to general. Tap on software update. If an update is available, tap download and install to upgrade your iOS. So guys, these are the 4 simple solutions to fix the 5G not working issue on iPhone. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.